what's really interesting and fun is I've actually got some hair extensions. There's more to put on, and they're from Irresistible Me, and they're human, and they're really good. So I ordered, I don't remember what colour I ordered. I'll put it up on the screen now. Did not expect the match to be, like, perfect, but, you know, not bad. There's, like, there's a colour tone difference slightly, but other than that, pretty fine. So, straightened them once quickly, and then I wore them for a few hours. It was the day I got them to test them out. They're really good. I got a lot. This is their special, like, signature thing. It's like a 4-clip weft. Is that what it's called, weft? But it's 4 clips, and this alone is a lot of hair, and it's heavy. It's really good hair as well. A 3-clip, another 3-clip, and then a whole bunch of 2 clips and 1s. So there's a 1, a 2, 2, another 2, a 1, and another 2. And then I think at home I've also left either a 2 or a 3, because they give you one like as a spare to test out, and they say like, try this one, or no, wait, no, don't. Oh, what did they say? It's like a spare thing, but you're not meant to open it until you're sure that you like the extensions, and it's like one that you like test out or whatever. Once you break the seal, it's like, okay, well now you can't give them back. So I've opened it because I like the extensions and I'm keeping them. They're great. I've got like another weft track clip, something waiting for me at home as well. But this is enough for my head because, you know, I don't have the thickest hair, so I don't need an incredible, like, huge amount of extensions, and my hair isn't exactly, like, short, because I think they say this is mainly good for, like, thickness and adding length and stuff. It's not necessary to, like, build a whole head out of it, though I personally think you can. I don't think I could fit any more in my head, but yeah, so I'm gonna put these on. I'm very new to extensions, so this is gonna take a while. I'll do a little bit on camera that I can. So firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to section off all of the bit that I'm absolutely keeping out, my leave out, which is like the whole top bit, the whole front. See, these nails, these ones have come off, but they snapped off, so I've still got some on the tips, and it keeps catching in my hair, and it is absolutely, positively the worst feeling. I swear my hair gets knotty so easy. I've got like the knottiest hair probably maybe known to human history. You just stay there and behave. Okay, now I'm going to section out the back bit that I want to cover. Don't want the clips to show, especially because I have not done my roots, and the extensions, well, they don't have roots, so they would show even more, but I don't want to do my roots for a while. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to, like, put them in from the bottom and then just, like, work my way up. I think that's the thing to do. This just looks terrible. So I am not a pro or an expert. I do not know the best way to do any of this. What I do know is what I want to do is, since my hair is pretty fine and smooth and slick, I'm going to backcomb it a bit, just so the extensions have, like, something to grab it onto. I'm going to take the 3-clip girl and I'm going to put hair in the back. I don't know if that's what you're meant to do, but it's what I'm going to do. Because I want the 4-clip one to go like at the top of my head. I feel like that's what I should do. I'll have it in the middle. So this one. And I'm leaving some of my own hair out at the bottom in case I wanted to put it up. Okay, and there's the first bit. And my first bit of length. Yeah. And then I'm going to take, I think, a little bit of this hair down. And then I'm going to put some of the 2 clips in, like kind of above those, like behind my ear. This looks like a crazy fun mullet kind of moment right now. Right, and I guess now I'm going to do the bits that go right behind my ears with some 1 clips, because I feel like that's what they're meant for. This is all guesswork, honestly. Woo! So take another bit of hair down. This like half up, half down thing looks really cute. It's so cool seeing myself with like long hair. And then that whole bit I tied up before, take that down so then I can get to this bit. and then pull this section like forward. I think this is going pretty well. I don't know what you think. I don't know if you're the expert, but I think it's going well. That's not even half of it all in. And I mean, jeez. Out the way. Hook on there. Useful. Here we go. And this is gonna go like, you know, just across like the middle of my head. I could be doing this way better, but obviously I know this is only for the purpose of like, this video you're gonna like see it. I mainly want to show off like length and thickness. Technique is something that I will learn with time. Oof. Look how much hair that's just added. Oh. And I can feel it. I can feel how heavy it is, but it doesn't like... They don't really hurt and pull on the hair. Sometimes you get bits that snag on bits of hair and you're like, ow. So you just kind of like tweak it a bit, tug it a bit, and you're like, okay, now it's stopped hurting. So, yeah. So let's take this back down. Ooh. There we go. And then I guess I can take this bit down as well. Oh, I've got another 3 clip I forgot about. Oh. Where's that gonna go? Simply too much hair. I'm putting that kind of just above the big 4 clip. Hopefully I've still got enough hair to hide all of this that's going on. Oh, there was a clip in there as well apparently. What part should we go for? Let's go for like a center parting with a slight side. My main thing is that I can still wear my hair behind my ear. Yeah, my hair is a bit flat right now because I guess it does kind of need washing. But last time I wore these extensions, I'd just washed my hair and it was really like slick and stuff. I didn't want to, you know, wash my hair and then film this video because I feel like that would have just been like the same mistake I did last time and that would have just been annoying. Do I like this parting? I think I do. There's just a couple more 2 clips, so I can put one in either side. I think I've got enough hair to hide that, so I'll do this, say like here. I'll keep it near the back. Just right along the parting. Okay, this might not work, but let's see. Oh! Hey! And it's giving me a nice, lovely just bit of volume here. Oh! I'm really happy with how this looks. Okay, so they're all in, and oh my god, you guys, I love this a lot. Okay, so here's the back. Might not be pretty because my hair's a mess, and it's my first time doing it, but, you know. How does it look? I can't see. Hey, you know what? That's not bad. What? 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 Oh, okay. So I feel so pretty right now. I can see myself in the monitor, but that is stretched wideways for some reason, so I don't look as pretty there. Then I see myself in the mirror, and I'm pretty. I can't decide what looks best. Do I want it like this? 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 I can have them... Oh, I can't move in this thing. Have it all in like a ponytail. And you can't clock it. I might have to, you know, just have a little dance around in them and have some fun. But, oh, I live, and I'm so happy. This is me now. I have long hair now. And I'm gonna be wearing these every day that I can be bothered to put them on. Which, you know me, I love it. And it's not bad, it's not uncomfortable. Oh, the eyelashes were more uncomfortable than these. Oh, I'm so happy, this is so good. Thank you once again, Irresistible Me. Get yourself some stuff, they've got a good site. Right, let's see, let me pull up the email, see if there's anything I need to talk about. So these are in Platinum Blonde, I believe, because it just looked the closest to me, and I thought if it wasn't, it would be the easiest to dye and then get closest to me. But honestly, like, the match is like, you know, I could go out in these and you couldn't really tell. And I'm under like a bright ring light right now, so like it is showing things up a bit more than it looks in person. In person, the matches, you just couldn't clock it, really, honestly, truly, to be fair, honestly. Yes, so these are the, I think I asked for 18 or 20 inches, because I didn't want, like, ridiculously long straight away, because I just thought the contrast with my real hair and the extensions might look, like, crazy. So this is just, I asked for 18 or 20 inches in length. It said how long these were, and I forgot. They're just regular style. I just asked for regular clip-in extensions, Platinum Blonde. But they do have their own like special extensions. They're called the Royal Remy extensions, and they did look really cool and interesting, to be honest. So they're like a New York-based company, but they reached out to me, and I'm grateful for that. What do they say? We're a New York-based company that sells high-end 100% Remy human hair extensions and professional-grade hair tools. There you go. So, yeah. If you're interested in the website, you can check it out. It will be in the description of this video. So please check out Irresistible Me's website. It's pretty good. They have it's all like human Remy. Such good hair. It's just, oh my god. I'm lost for words for just like how good it is. It's good. Their website, they have full lace wigs, human wigs, extensions, different types of extensions, tape-in extensions, clip-in extensions, their own super amazing unique blend of mixture extensions, different lengths, thickness, weights, colours. Check them out, get yourself some, and I can tell you right now that I recommend them. I, Ava Cassandra, cannot recommend Irresistible Me hair extensions enough. My first hair extensions, my first taste into the world of hair extensions, and I am so honoured that it gets to be not only like good ones, but like good human ones. Oof. I nearly asked for some clip-ins, not clip-ins, tape-ins. But I was like, for my first ones, I've got to get clip-ins, and now I've got them. I'm going to get used to these. Thank you once again, Irresistible Me, for the hair. Very, very, very grateful. Also, if you're interested in this makeup look and you want to watch how I did this, there's a tutorial for it. This is my latest facial feminization with makeup tutorial, since it was about a year ago I did the last one. So it's, you know, a year on. Have my techniques changed? Do I still look feminine? Or do I look worse? Or do I look better? I think with these extensions, this is some like next level, like unclockable, you know. So please check out that tutorial, and also any of my other previous tutorials. Check out all of my old videos on my channel, where you can see tutorials, transformations, and reviews of all sorts of stuff. I have a gaming channel, check that out if you like games. Check out me on social media, Instagram, Ava Cassandra, Facebook, Ava Cassandra. And yeah, that's it. So just like check out my old videos here, YouTube, and subscribe for future videos. Like this video if you liked it, and if you didn't like it, don't like it. And if you subscribe mentally to me, then subscribe for real. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and that's all from me.